Dear students, today we discuss about World Space Service, Business TV, and GramSat. We discuss one by one. First, World Space Service. So, World Space Service, it's a company name. It's also known as One World Space. So, this World Space company, which provide satellite-based radio service. In the previous class, we discussed about video broadcasting. So this is a radio broadcasting. This World Space Service which provide satellite based radio service. So nowadays we are receiving a radio signal by terrestrial communication by using FM and AM radio. So which broadcast by terrestrial. But in future, so most of the satellite signal, most of the radio signal which is received from satellite. So like video broadcasting, nowadays we are receiving video TV signal from satellite. In future, uh, we are receiving a radio signal also from satellite. So World Space Service, it's a global digital satellite radio network that provide service over a 1,70,000 subscribers in the world by using two satellites in geostationary orbit. World Space Corporation, founded in 1990s, headquarters located at Silver Spring in US. So it's US based company which provide satellite based radio service by using two satellites from geostationary orbit. The satellite names are AfriStar and Asia Star. And AfriStar launched October 1998 and Asia Star launched March 2000. So they broadcast the radio signal by using these two satellites. And World Space Service Company also proposed to launch third and fourth satellites in the name of AfriStar 2 and WorldStar 4. So these satellite which operates in L-band frequency range. So the uplink frequency is 7 gigahertz. The radio station transmit the signal to the satellite in the frequency of 7 gigahertz, and the satellite broadcasts the signal in the frequency of 1.45 to 1.492 gigahertz, the downlink frequency. So World Space Service, so these satellite which cover two-thirds of Earth by using 6 beams. Each satellite they transmit three beams. Each beam is capable of delivering 80 channels. So World Space Radio Service which provide sports news channels, local language channels of World Space Service, and other leading brands like BBC, CNN, NDTV, and all other leading news channels and other channels are broadcast through this satellite. And totally they transmitted around 52 satellites every day. This count is changing. And 38 of third party channels and 24 of World Space Corporation channels. So radio station, it's a transmit the signal to satellite. The satellite which broadcast the signal to consumers. Here the what is the difference of terrestrial radio and satellite based radio means, here we are using analog transmission. So at the receiver they get with the noise. The receiver receive the signal with noise. But here satellite based radio, here they use digital modulation. The receiver we have error correction codes, so we get the actual signal. So these are the some satellite radio receivers. So Asia Star, which covers in India, China, in Asian region, and Afri Star in yellow color, which cover in Africa. The remaining are proposed, they planned. Next one. So business TV, also known as BTV, enables you to deliver high quality video communication to your employees through live or pre-recorded broadcasting. Okay, pre-recorded message or advertisement. So for that application, so most of the companies they use this business television concept. So this is used by many countries and many industries. So features of GramSat: providing rural education broadcasting, computer interconnectivity and data exchanging service, telehealth and telemedicine services. It's provide computer connectivity, data broadcasting, DV broadcasting facility, having applications like e-governing. So all the government office and government institutions are connected to headquarters in somewhere in Delhi. So it's connected through the this GramSat and interactive training to the farmers, teachers, and government officers in these states, Assam, Meghalaya, and all the states which placed near to the China border and the Nepal border. ISRO launched four GramSat satellites to geostationary orbit. GramSat 1 launched in 2001, 18th April, with three C-band and two S-band transponders. Okay, what in by transponder? The single communication channel between a receiver to transmitter in the satellite. It is named as transponder. So GramSat 2 launched 8th May 2003, which consists of 4 C-band and 2 Q-band transponders. And GramSat 8 was launched in 20th May 2011 with 24 Q-band transponders, and GramSat 12 was launched in 15th July 2011, which carries 12 extended C-band transponders. So this is the black diagram of GramSat. So what is GramSat? The gram means village in Hindi. Its meaning is village. So it's a village satellite which provide uh, modern telecommunication service to rural areas in India. So especially the border states near to China and Nepal and Bangladesh. So we should provide uh, internet facility and all other facility to the states. For that they use this GramSat satellite and they share the resource through this GramSat.